So let's look at some other ways to draw these basic shapes. I'm going to close out of here, click on the application button and hit close, and then we'd like to open up another part file. And this time we're going to use these draw commands. So if I come up here and click on the rectangle by center, click anywhere on the screen, move it out, I've created what's called a closed region. And so if I'd like to make this into a box shape, then I go back to the select button. Anywhere in the screen, I click. Don't click on the ball. That center ball, no. Click on the end or the front. Doesn't matter if it's a back or front. Click on the front of the arrow. And then you can push or pull this out to create this box. Let's try it with a sphere, a circle. So I'll go and click on the circle draw command, and I'll draw a circle. And the same thing, I can go and select, and I can click anywhere in the darker inside, click on the front or back of the arrow, and I can push and pull that out. And that creates these basic 3D shapes. Now the same thing applies, there's other options underneath here. That little triangle button, we click on that. We did a rectangle by center, we could do it by 2 points, 3 points, or there's even a polygon by center. So let's try the polygon by center. And I could come down and just click anywhere and draw this polygon. Now if I'd like to change the number of sides, I can come up and change it up here. See where it says sides 6? I could change it to say 5. So if I do another one, I just click, and there's a polygon with 5 sides. And if I'd like to extrude that, I just come down, click in that area, and push that in and out. Let's just look under the circle. Now I'm sort of running out of space, so I could just zoom out. Remember how I roll down here? I can either zoom or I can roll the middle mouse button, or I could use the pan and I could put that over to the side. I'm going to go back to the circle command, and I'm going to pull down on the circle and by center by 3 points. And let's look at the ellipse by center point. So I'll click on the ellipse, and anywhere on the screen I'll draw, and just move your cursor if you're not sure what to do, and I'll make an interesting ellipse. I'll click, and then I'll say how big or wide would I like the ellipse. And same thing, I can come back to the select button, and then I can extrude the ellipse.